How to create a Steam account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Steam account step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Steam app on your PC. And now here, once you have opened the app, you'll be prompted to the login page. Now here in this section, just below the QR code, there you simply have to click on the option that says create a free account. And now here, you'll be prompted to the page where you can start registering for your account creation. And now here in this section, you simply have to click on the email address bar, and there you simply have to enter your email address. Once you're done entering the email address, simply re-enter it on the other text field to confirm it. And once you're done with it, you simply have to choose your country of residence. And once you're done with it, simply check the two boxes that are given below that option. And now here, once you're done with it, you simply have to click on the continue button. And after that, next you simply have to open your email inbox. So simply open Gmail through any web browser. And now here, once you're inside your email inbox, you'll get message from Steam. So simply open it and click on verify my email address button. And here, after verification, you can simply go back to the Steam account name. And now here in this section, you simply have to create your Steam account name. So here, simply create your Steam account name. And here, once you're done with it, simply have to click on the password field and enter the password for your Steam account. Now here, once you are entered the password, then you simply have to click on the other text field to confirm your password in that. And here, once you're done entering the password, you simply have to click on done. And after that, your Steam account will be ready. And with that, you can simply sign in with your Steam account and download the games within the Steam and enjoy playing the games. And that's it. That's how you can create a Steam account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.